श्रीलंका के इक़्तिसादी बहरान से वहाँ अवाम ख़ास परेशान है। इनका कहना है कि सूरत हाल तशवीशनाक है। साबिक क्रिकेटर सनत जयसूरिया का कहना है कि अगर अब भी तवज्जो नहीं दी गई तो इंतहाई मुश्किलों में अवाम घिर सकते हैं।
The people were very silent for last few months, thinking that things will change and things will come to normal, and they were just waited and waited, and unfortunately it comes to a point that it's a breaking point. People couldn't handle it, and they came out to the street and start protesting, and because they can't go like this, and they started non-violence protest in our country, all over the island. So that's a right for the people, and which they are doing at the moment. At the moment, the people is come out and they want everything to be changed. Basically, they want everyone to be out and need to come up with fresh. So the people has suffered enough, and they just